Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Janae. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing for you my Fab Fit Fun box for fall. Here it is right here. So if you are interested in finding out what I received and my thoughts, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, let's go ahead and jump into the box. It's October, but it's still technically fall, right? I actually received this box a while ago. Got my scissors here. I'm just gonna go ahead and break the seal. I have no idea what's in this box. Now, there are probably already several videos on what people receive and their thoughts, but I haven't watched any of those videos, so I'm gonna find out with you all for the first time what's in the box. Hold up. If you are new to my channel and you are not aware of Fab Fit Fun, it is a lifestyle box that includes beauty, skincare, and just lifestyle products. I really enjoy this box. It comes out 4 times a year: fall, winter, spring, and summer. And you only pay $49.99 for the box, and the value is always over $200. It's my all-time favorite beauty lifestyle box to receive because the products are always so good and the value is always so high for what you pay. So I'm super excited to see what I receive. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so I want this video to be short and sweet, so I'm not going to touch on the price of every single item, but I will make a point to put it on the screen for you all, and then of course I will add everything up at the end of the video and I will tell you what the total value of the box is. I really feel like if I only love a few products in the box, the value is always over $200 and I only pay $49.99 for the box, so it's definitely a steal. I love getting my boxes 4 times a year and I'm super excited to see what is inside. Okay, so let's open the box up here. It's kind of heavy actually. Let's see. Okay, so here is the box right here and some of the goodies. It's right there. Perfect. What we need is an at-home pedicure kit. I don't know about you, but due to COVID and things like that, I really have not been going to the nail salon very often. So here it goes right here. Pumpkin spice salt soak. Then this one is the sugar scrub, mud mask, and massage butter. And they're actually numbered on the back. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're numbered on the front as well. Okay, and you get two of these. So yeah, definitely excited, and I love the pumpkin spice kind of scent. Perfect for fall. So excited to get this, and this is $20. The Perfect Repair Treatment Mask, and this is a bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair. It's kind of sealed up here. Let's go ahead. Smells really, really good, and I've been wearing my hair straight for about 2 weeks, so it's definitely going to need some TLC. So excited to add this. This is the Glow Milk right here. It says it's nourished with coconut and argan oil, and it's vegan. Glow Milk is a liquid radiance in a bottle. Glow Milk is liquid radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting lit from within look with our champagne colored liquid highlighter. And it comes in a cute little, looks like milk container, like old school milk container you would have, you know, when you were in grade school, elementary school. See if I can get this guy open. It's really sealed in there. Okay, cool. So this is what the dropper looks like. Looks like this. Just gonna go ahead and open a little bit of it. Okay, it has this little Drop it right here. Just gonna go ahead and add a little bit to my skin. Rub it in. Wow, so you are definitely going to glow. And this is what it looks like there. I'm not really sure I would want to add this kind to my face. I may add a teeniest drop into a little bit of my foundation, but because I have oily skin, I definitely don't want to be a little bit too oily, and I definitely reach more for powder highlighters, powder everything to be honest. But you know, it would be nice to add some to your chest area when you're going out so that you can glow. Again, where are we going? But I'm super excited to add this to my collection. I love coconut, I love argan oil, so definitely excited to have this. The next thing I see is this 8 Other Reasons, and these are some hair clips. I love the colors. Let me see if I can get this guy open. This is what this looks like. So yeah, definitely love the colors. I'm currently 98% of the time. So yeah, I'm definitely, you know what, this might add a little bit of texture, especially when I'm wearing my hair back in a ponytail. If I need to clip some hair out of my face, I definitely love this. Oh, okay. And actually, I thought it just kind of slid on, but it actually clips on. So this is what it looks like. And on the back side, it has a little clip. So it'd be super easy to add it to your hair. So definitely love that. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see what this guy is. A little pouch like this. This is Nectar Sunglass Blue Light Blocking Glasses in brown turquoise. Block blue light from your computer or phone to keep your eyes refreshed and lessen fatigue. Let's go ahead and try these on. I don't have any blue light glasses. I'm definitely always on my cell phone, my iPad, the computer. So if this is going to protect my eyes, this is definitely what I need. And I love this color. Let's see. These are definitely super cute. They are lightweight. They're not heavy on my face at all. So I'll definitely be using this, especially when I plan on editing this video and just being on my electronics for a while. Anything I can to protect my eyes, especially getting older, this is perfect. And I've never received anything like this before. I've been kind of curious about this product, and if I stare at the computer too long, phone too long, I tend to get migraines sometimes. So I think this product can definitely help. This actually retails for $45. So this is the cost of the actual box that I paid. So I'm definitely excited, and I love this brown, light brown with like some chocolate detailing. It's perfect for my skin tone, perfect for fall. Excited to have it. Okay, we got a couple more goodies. Let's keep going. Okay, the next thing that I see is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Bra Gel. Now this is a product that I have tried before. I like it a lot. I don't do too much to my eyebrows. I kind of just fill it in with the pencil. And this perfect clear bra gel is just what I need to set it so that it lasts all day. Super excited to get this guy. And this one is $22. So definitely excited. I'm definitely out. So I love getting products that I truly just love, because then I get to add to my stash so that I don't run out. Okay, almost done. A couple more. I don't know what this is. It's by Beyond Yoga. So either some yoga pants, that will be perfect. Working from home these days, I'm living in loungewear. Oh, they're not pants. What is it? So it looks like this. Beyond Yoga Hidden Pocket Infinity Scarf. And this lightweight scarf features a hidden zipper pocket that's big enough for your phone, wallet, or lip balm. And this one retails for $59.95. I can tell you that this feels incredibly soft. I love the little zip pocket there. Let's try to put the phone in. Oh yeah, it fits perfectly and zips up perfectly. It definitely feels incredibly soft. I'm definitely excited. Let's go ahead and just try this guy on. It feels so incredibly soft. Let me stand up so you can see it a little bit better. So yeah, it definitely feels really, really good, and definitely excited to add this to my collection. It is a black tote, and this is what it looks like. I was gonna say it's definitely the perfect size to fit a lot of things. If you need to go into the office, if you need to even run to the gym and need to change your clothes. Honestly, these days I'm not really going a whole lot of places, so but I'm definitely excited to add this to my collection because you can never have too many totes. This is the kind of material that doesn't really get dirty, that you can kind of wipe off. Definitely if you're going to stay somewhere, it's good to just, you know, pack a little outfit in an overnight bag. Also, I love that it has this zipper here on the side. Super cute detailing. And then inside, I noticed that it also has a zipper here that's pretty deep, and also I don't know if you can see it there on camera or not, but it also has pockets perfect to slide your cell phone in. Wow, it says use this spacious carry all to hold your laptop, makeup bag, and more without weighing you down. This says this retails for $128. Wow. I'm gonna put this guy back in this plastic so that it is protected for that much money until I get a chance to use it. Well, COVID-19 is ruining so many things, but I'm excited to add this to my collection so I can use it when I need it. Okay guys, so I am happy with my box. I was definitely sitting here trying to see which product I love the most. It's kind of hard to pick because I got some good stuff. From the scarf, which is super soft, and if I'm walking outside, definitely this fall is a little bit cooler. I love that I can put this on over my workout clothes and kind of add my cell phone here. This tote is crazy expensive, and I'm glad to add it to my collection. But then these blue light glasses, I've been very curious about, something that I know that I was interested in receiving, so I'm excited about that. So it's definitely between those three, and if I had to pick, I'm gonna go with these glasses because they are super cute and definitely something that I know I will be using all the time. Okay guys, so that is going to wrap up today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope it wasn't too late to unbox my fall box. And if you like this video, of course, give me a thumbs up by letting me know. Do not forget to subscribe for more before you leave, and I will see you very soon in my next upload. Bye guys.